Number 6 says the order is for 1.3 liters over 11 hours using a 10 GTT per ml set. Find the rate and then find the 15-second count. So 1.3 liters is 1,300 mLs, and then 11 hours is 660 minutes. So that is my information, and if I plug it into the formula, and solve, 1,300 times 10 divided by 660, and if we round this to the nearest whole number, it'll be 20 GTT per minute. And then to find the 15-second count, all we have to do is take our answer and divide it by 4. And that's going to get you 5 GTT, and it's not per minute, it's now per 15 seconds.